In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make $400 per day in your underwear. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, back at it again with another fire ass video. And in this video, I'm simply going to go ahead and basically update you guys on an income stream that has 5 different income streams. And I currently made $400 within the last 24 hours. So I want to go ahead and share that with you guys. But more importantly, not about the results that I'm getting, but how you guys can actually tap into this income stream and basically either generate an extra side income, or better yet, if you want to decide to go all in, eventually get to the point to where you guys can quit your job, make this full time, and make money in your underwear, your robe, your white tee, naked, whatever floats your boat, right? So let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, Nehemiah, if you can block these out, but I have here $298.50 made May 16th, 2019 at 10 a.m. And then at 12:24, 2 hours later, 12:24 p.m., I made a $100 commission with this income stream, right? So $109 pending. So let's do the math there. 100. I mean, we don't have to be that intelligent to do $100 plus $298. That's basically $400. So what is this, right? What this is called something called Funnel X ROI, right? And Funnel X ROI is basically a system that allows you to tap into 5 different income streams. And these 5 income streams, you can actually promote them through one funnel. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel is something that completely automates your sales process online, so you don't have to do any of the selling. You don't have to do any of the recruiting. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is figure out how to get people to this funnel, right? When you get people to this funnel, it's going to do all the selling for you, and I'm going to go ahead and actually break that down for you guys, right? So basically, this is the actual sales page that they use. This is the first initial front end of the funnel that you're going to go ahead and promote as an affiliate. If you don't know what an affiliate is somebody who basically promotes other people's products, and when they promote other people's products, you get paid a commission, right? Now, basically, this sales page this is a unique affiliate link that they're going to go ahead and give you as an affiliate, is going to go ahead and allow you to connect your core offer, which is called Easy One Up. And Easy One Up is basically, just to show you guys one of my other income streams. I didn't even make money with Easy One Up today, but I made $13,000 already with them, a little over a month with Easy One Up. So guys, this works, right? You can make real money. There's 5 income streams. Just to show you guys the quick 5 income streams. The front end of the funnel is that sales page that I showed you guys. And basically, the core offer, you can make up to $2,000 commissions. That's why I've made over $13,000 with that specific offer. Then the next one is Get Response, which is an email autoresponder, which is an upsell. You can make up to $100 to even 33% recurring commissions. ROI panel, you can make $2,000. So that's where I made a $298.50 commission. And then the next step in the funnel is Funnel X Advanced, and that is a $2,000 product. It goes up to there, so you can make up to $1,000 commissions. And advertising boosts, you can make up to like $500 something commissions. So out of the 5 different income streams, like the different upsells on that funnel, right? I've been driving traffic to this funnel again, and like I stated, $298.58 or 50 cents, $109, so a little over $400. Now, guys, why is this awesome? This is awesome because I work in my robe, right? No 9 to 5. Imagine being able to be your own boss. Imagine being able to work only a couple hours per week, not per day, right? A couple hours per week, and basically find ways to completely automate getting people to the sales process. This sales process does all the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to lift a finger. You simply figure out how to get people there. This is all the selling, all the heavy lifting. And then all you have to do is basically identify people who have a specific problem, which in this specific case, people who are looking to make money online for whatever reason, whether it's because they want to quit their job, whether it's because they're tired of their 9 to 5, whether it's because they need an extra income stream, so on and so forth. If that's the problem, this is going to be the solution, and the products that this sells is the solution. So because you're solving a problem with a solution, you're going to go ahead and get paid, right? Period, right? So that's what we are. We're problem solvers. We're professional middlemen. Somebody has a problem. My product is a solution. I meet those people together. They go through my sales funnel. I don't have to do any of the selling. They do all the selling. Super simple. Anybody can do this. I'm high school educated, college dropout. I'm not the smartest guy. I'm extremely charismatic, but at the end of the day, right, I don't even have to be charismatic and sell this product, right? This does all the selling. So even if you're not charismatic or you're not good at sales, you can still get results with this. A freaking monkey peeling a banana can get results with this. No point intended. So with that being said, there's going to be either a button or a link down below to where you guys can get access to these products that are going to be course curriculums. There's going to be the softwares that you guys need, email autoresponders, tracking tools, so on and so forth. These are basically tools. It'll explain it in the videos, but tools that you guys need to actually create an online business and the education. But not only that, for those who invest into the core offer, which is easy one up, $1,000 to $2,000 are the highest package. They're called Vertex Pro and Vertex Live. For those of you who do that, I'm also going to go ahead and give you guys my affiliate marketing course for absolutely free, which is a $2,000 course. You're going to get access to it for free. You're going to go ahead and get access to my weekly coaching calls for my team and my team only, which is every single Monday we have a call where I actually train, as well as I give access to question and answer. So that way, if you're struggling within your business, you don't have to do this alone, right? You're going to go ahead and have that support group, that community of people who want to help you. But not only that, you're going to have a mentor that's been around the block that can teach you how to get results. And last but not least, you're going to have the income opportunity to be able to actually execute the knowledge on. Meaning it's cool. Okay, look, I teach you how to make money, but then you don't have the offer to promote. There's like a disconnect. The fact that you're going to go to have the offer now, it's like the perfect freaking marriage, right? So click the button down below, click the link down below, take action, and I can't wait to see you on the other side. Now, with that being said, appreciate you guys. As always, your boy, first and foremost, hit that like button, and your boy, Eric Ellis, checking out.